Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Gmail login issues. Quick troubleshooting step by step clearly. First, check that your internet connection is working by opening any other website. If the internet is unstable, restart your modem or switch to another Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Make sure you are entering the correct Gmail address, including the full name before and after the @ symbol. Type your password slowly and confirm caps lock is off on your keyboard. If you use password managers, try copying and pasting the password to avoid typing mistakes. Click Forgot Password and reset your password if you cannot remember it. When resetting, choose a strong new password and save it in a secure place. If you see a wrong password message, try signing in from another device to confirm the issue. Open an incognito or private window and try logging in again to bypass saved cookies. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Then restart the browser and retry the login. Disable browser extensions one by one, especially ad blockers or security add-ons, and test again. Update your browser to the latest version to avoid compatibility problems. If you are using the Gmail app, update the app from the App Store or Google Play. Force close the Gmail app and reopen it to refresh the sign-in process. Restart your phone or computer to clear temporary system glitches. Check your device date and time settings and set them to automatic for correct authentication. If you get a verification code, use the newest code and check your spam folder for Google emails. Try signing in through accounts, Google.com to confirm whether the issue is Gmail or your account. If Google says suspicious activity, follow the prompts to verify it is really you. Review your recovery email and phone number to make sure they are correct and accessible. If you recently changed your password, wait a few minutes and try again because sync can take time. If you see too many failed attempts, stop trying for a while and retry after 15 to 30 minutes. Turn off VPN or proxy services temporarily because they can trigger security blocks. If you are on a work or school network, try a different network because firewalls can block Google services. Check Google Workspace or Google Service status pages to see if there is a temporary outage. If you cannot access two-step verification, use backup codes or select Try Another Way on the sign-in screen. Run the Google account recovery page and complete every question as accurately as possible. As a last step, remove and re-add your Google account on your device to refresh authentication. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.